Are you tired of everyone seeing your private events? Learn to lock down your Google Calendar in under 3 minutes. First, we'll make your calendar public or private. Then, we'll add specific people with custom permissions, like see only free/busy. First, locate the calendar you want to manage under My Calendars, then click the 3-dot icon next to it. From the menu, select Settings and Sharing to open the calendar's settings. Scroll down to the Access Permissions section and turn on Make Available to Public. A confirmation dialog appears. Click OK to confirm. Now, scroll up to the Share with Specific People or Groups section and click Add People and Groups. Click on the email address field to enter the person's email. Then choose the desired permission level from the dropdown. For example, select See Only Free/busy, hide details, if you want them to know when you're available without seeing event details. Finally, click Send to share the calendar with that person or group. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.